Morning YouTube. So I'm doing a Dodge Avenger potential comeback. It was here for oil pressure code, which there's no code, and an evap problem, and we did a gas cap and a new vent valve, and I'm like, what the fuck? I'm not an idiot. But you see that? So why is it not sealed? Because I know there's a gasket in there because I did the job. But I think this is the one where they sent the O-ring instead of the flat gasket, which is a fucking joke with aftermarket shit. And I can't stand that. So I'm gonna pull this shit apart. Let's take a closer look, right? Let me turn my smoke machine off. So check it out. I'm going right through the filler neck with some homemade adapters out of old gas caps. So let's see what's going on here. And this was done a few weeks ago. I don't understand. Well, it's got the right O-ring in it. This is not really sure what's up with that. I did a job the other day where it came with two, lucky for me. So let's take a closer look here. Just doesn't seem like it was in right. I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna change this gasket out, put this biatch back in and see what's up. I don't understand. Most of the time, what I'll do is and they sit in the receiver groove, so it's very hard for you to screw this up. See that? It sits in the receiver groove. So let's go at this again and see if there's something else I'm missing. Usually what I do is I'll take some RTV or silicone and stick it in there on both sides just to eliminate shit like this. But let's hit it with some soapy water again. Because the smoke machine didn't smoke it up yet. We look money now. Just hit it one more time. And this was a very small evap leak code. So I don't see any air bubbles now. So I'm gonna let this run for a little while. And I don't understand. Well, some of them come through with O-rings, and this one came with a seal, unless what they ordered. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. The one that they ordered came through with no seal, and I reused the old one. You can see a little powdery, older shit residue in there. So my fault, but you know, this is a used car dealer who supplies their own parts. I'll have to advise them if they're getting parts to open the box, make sure there's a new O-ring in there. I'll own up to that, but it's a minor mistake. But it's not from not being installed correctly. It's definitely installed